Welcome to Current Medicine. Nanorobotics. Robotics is already developing for applications in life sciences and medisciences. Robots can be programmed to perform routine surgical procedures. Nanobiotechnology introduces another dimension in robotics, leading to development of nanorobots, also referred as nanobots. Instead of performing procedures from the outside the body, nanobots made for introduction into the body through the vascular system or at the end of catheters into the various vessels and other cavities in the human body. Nanorobots used in various functions such as searching for pathology, diagnosis, removal or correction of lesion, can be performed and coordinated by an onboard computer screen. Nanobots concepts, once the science fiction, now considered to be a real possibility. Nanobots will have the capability to perform precise and refined intracellular surgery, which is beyond the capability of manipulation by the human hands. These are tiny biological machines that can deliver drugs to the targeted destination to make them more efficient and reduce the side effects, which are the biggest challenge in drug delivery system. Scientists in the nanobot field still have many challenges to tackle. Let's hope robotics overcome all challenges and serve mankind. This Current Medicine YouTube channel help you like a stethoscope. Kindly subscribe to keep in touch.